Hello friends, enemies, and those still under review. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ina with a B, and today I had a guest on the channel. We did baking. For those who do not know, I brought my best friend Micheala onto the channel. The only issue is that this video does not have an intro or an outro. I'm literally sitting and editing it right now. I am studying for a test. This is so last minute. So Micheala stayed over for a little bit during our winter break, just before winter school started, here for about 7 days. We also did a best friend tag during this time. We did another one. We have two. If you would like to see that, it'll be linked up here somewhere. But that's that for now. We made chocolate brownies with bar one inside of them, and it was very good. And this was fun to edit. This was fun to film. For those who do not know, Micheala is a culinary student and we are currently in our final year of high school, so she's been doing this for 3 years. If you would like to see an reaction video where Micheala reacts to my first video that I filmed with another friend of ours, Erika, please let us know in the comments down below. We will happily film that for you, and I think it will be very fun. But she has agreed to it, so if you guys want that, leave a like. All throughout this video, I do call her a cutlery student, as in cutlery that you eat with instead of a culinary student. Please excuse my stupidity. We did film this very late at night and we started baking at 8 o'clock, so that's okay. It was fine, but then again we also had been staying up till past 12 in the morning for the last few days, so I was running on sleep deprivation and vibes. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Two large eggs. Boiled eggs. Come buy my eggs. Buy my eggs. Take butter, 60 grams. Chicken bowl. A quarter cup. Yes, 60 grams of melted butter.
60. Quarter cup. How much we need?
A quarter cup.
A quarter. Butter. We're speed running this one, man.
Yeah.
Is it open?
Oil. No, it's not open.
What? Only have certain amounts of tools.
Then you have to go melt it.
I know, I'm gonna get a little bowl.
Yeah.
But this time we have a professional with us, and it is like 8 o'clock at night. This might be its own separate video. I don't know yet. It does not have an intro. It will maybe receive an intro. Was this impulse decision? A little bit.
No. Like overflow.
Girl, dinner. Posting this as it answered. There's a part 1 up here where I was with Erika, where we both don't know anything. But this time we have academic weapon. Our academic cutlery weapon. Micheala. Were you in pain with our last baking vlog?
A little bit.
So she will be showing me how to do life. Because we know I'm not very good at this. What about when we made the truffles and we massaged it? She enjoyed the last one. Yes, yesterday we filmed our whatchamacallit, best friend tag again. So that will also be linked somewhere. Do you have Erika?
Another.
Good. Okay. Well, let's add a little.
We do need more. We need 25 more.
We don't have any. Can we mix oils? Bestie, you're gonna put it back in this?
Yeah.
Okay. While Micheala tries that, How much do we need for?
125.
125. We're gonna use the chicken bowl. That bowl can be its own situation, okay? I'm gonna add the eggs first. We know we love eggs on this channel. 2 jumbo eggs. Come buy my eggs. And our hands are clean this time. They were clean last time, just not clean. This will be our deposit bowl. Add 1 egg. I don't know why we're trying to do this. But we are. At least there's no water for me to put anything in this time. Watching the other one.
Where's the other bowl?
It's speed run. And we are in our pajamas. Baking. Best idea?
Sleep.
We just had nice self-care nights. Didn't even sell. We're making brownies with bar ones.
Yes.
There we go. 1. Which one is better, sunflower or olive oil to bake with?
Sunflower.
She knows what she's doing, and that scares me. We should add a little bit more so we have moist ones. I don't know how. Okay. The white stuff on top is confusing me. Now we have 2 different bowls for the wet. Aren't we supposed to do wet and dry apart?
I did ask you.
I did say we have 1 bowl for the wet and 1 bowl for the dry. Micheala has stayed for like 7 days and I have driven her mad. And I think this is going to make or break everything. I am challenging her because I don't know anything about what in the kitchen, and she has been doing this for 3 years.
Yeah. How much?
125. Hot milk. Hot for me. Hot. Oh no. Can we heat it up in the same bowl as the butter? Okay. I'm asking all the questions this time. Last time, Erika and I just went with our gut feeling, which wasn't very good in the end, but the cake tasted good. It was half raw because the power went off halfway through. And we baked it on our love for each other. So this we will bake. We will make good with love.
Live, love, love.
Live, love, love.
Yeah,
Oh, that looks delicious. I learned my lesson last time with a hand mixer. Not gonna do that again.
That's smart.
Do you wanna mix or are you gonna chop?
Mix.
Okay. You see, she doesn't trust me with the mixing.
I trust you with the chopping.
Yeah. You saw how we last time. The editing for the mixing was like over 20 minutes. And I kept looking at it and I'm like, what would Micheala do? Cha cha cha.
Maybe next time.
I don't like the smell of hot milk. It makes me upset. We don't have a smaller one than this one. So that's just gonna have to work. Oh, there's chocolate! We're gonna mix a lot of things here. That's barbecue. And I will be gentle, it's alright. You don't have to cook water. Cook water.
That's why you have milk.
We don't have to cook them. This is why I don't have cutlery. Cutlery is what you eat with. What do you have? Culinary.
Culinary.
I've been saying cutlery this entire time. Yeah. Yes, okay. Put the oil away.
Where's the mixer?
I love how quick this is working, huh? Mix there. Wait, the mixy thingies.
Yes. Oh, I love the mixer.
You're in a time crunch when you have to do these. They have like a time limit for their practical, so we're crunching time here. Different angle. This is what we've got. Okay, that's over there with the mixer. And I preheated the oven this time. I preheated the oven last time, so we're already making progress from last time. We chopped the bar ends with this big old connector. cleaning the workspace.
Micheala will have me head.
Micheala in her natural habitat. I'ma do 3 at a time and make them, oh my soul, they're very hard. It's winter and it's not very fresh. Then I should bring the chunks. Thank you. You're welcome. Basically, I found this recipe like 2 years ago, and I tried it, but I didn't have enough bar ones. I used 2 and that wasn't enough. But basically, it just turns it a very nice caramelly situation. Micheala now has asthma because of the cake mix. Do you have any horror stories from practical that you do culinary? Share with the class one.
So one day we had to make cookies, and this one girl didn't want to put her hair into a net, and then she messed it up. She didn't do the ingredients right. She measured it wrong. She wanted me to make it because we are in a group, but we make it ourselves. So she made the one part, the icing, and we made the cookies, the dough. And then hers burned because she has to make it herself, which is
the mixing part.
The mixing parts and stuff from scratch. And then there were hair all over the icing and in our cookies.
And you get points taken away from the...
Yes. Every point that it's not correct, you get -4. Yes. And then one other day we made churros, and she didn't measure correctly again. Yes, because we were only 3 people. We should have been 4, but the other girl was sick. She was in hospital. So we told her to do one thing and we'll do the other thing. And she didn't do it correctly, so we had to do it over. And we shouldn't have, but the lady said we can't, because she's nice.
Nice.
So we made it over, we fixed the mistakes,
Adding the bar one.
and it came out great actually. But do not work with people.
And she's been in this group with this girl since grade 10, right?
Yes.
So-
And we kicked her out basically, because she cannot cook.
But she keeps coming back. You kicked her out in grade 10 as well.
Yes, in grade 10 and 1.
Yes, and she keeps coming back, which
And
I
you
don't
cannot say
understand.
no, because then she's alone and you need another partner. And you don't want to be rude. And you tell her just to follow the rules that the teacher gave you, and then she does not do that. And the recipe is super easy, and she messes it up.
How?
She doesn't read.
Injury on the job site. The quietus.
From a paper cut.
Yeah. But it's fine. No wonder it was burning. It's fine. It's burning more. I can feel the oil.
Right.
Sorry.
Okay, go. You needed a spoon.
Yes.
That's why I gave it to you.
Oh. Well, I got another spoon now, so I can share with Father the leftovers. Because Father enjoys leftovers.
Exact.
60 billion as stated. We followed the brands that we use in the description below, and unfortunately the recipe does not include a Micheala to help you when you don't have enough oil, but that's okay. Random children laughing in the background. But as well. Now we're going to put this in the oven, and we will check back when it's done baking and done cooking.
video.
Remember, young Morlock, as you grow.
And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like Micheala more on the channel, comment down below. All her socials are in the description down below if you would like to see more of her. My socials are also down there if you go digging around. This channel has its own Instagram account if you'd like minute-to-minute updates about the channel, stuff going on, because I tend to apparently disappear for a while and then randomly return. Don't know what that's about. So there's that. And there's also polls to vote on the Instagram if you would like to take part in the channel in any way and contribute. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in